Mother's Day is coming up, so today I'm going to make a Mother's Day card because buying one felt too boring, so let's make it together.
First, take an A4 board and fold it into two. Then take an A4 paper and cut the sides of it just to be enough. So that you can see the yellow board as a border when you paste it. Like this. Leave a small space and paste it on the board. Next, I took this pink paper and I will cut circles on it. I made two in similar size. This one is a bit smaller, and now do the same with another paper, another color. Cut it. Slowly take the corner and roll the flower. Some glue on the base and paste it. Do all the flowers in the same way. Actually, I do this for every Mother's Day, and it has been my little tradition since I was around 5 years old. And I love making Mother's Day and Father's Day cards every Mother's Day and Father's Day. It's just my hobby, making cards and painting. So now I'm drawing an heart. I'm just drawing it lightly so I can see what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to cut the leaves. Actually, you can be creative and cut it in the way you want it. took another shade of green and I'm cutting different shapes of stems and leaves. And I'm going to do it with green and gold and silver glitter paper. Adding gold or silver gives it a bit of elegance, so that's my plan. I've cut all the pieces and I'm doing bold. You can use it from wrapping papers and things like that. You don't always need new papers for it. Together and I'm going to be pasting it. You can cut flowers in any shade you want and then you can place it nicely as well. You don't have to follow the same steps I do. You can be creative and put some of your own taste into it. Just randomly placing this in a nice way possible. We are almost done with the decor. Crafting is my hobby and I'm going to continue it in my channel. However, I'm going to do more vlogs and talking videos like late night talks and so on. So if you're watching these videos, I hope you can support me. Actually, I cut 2 more flowers with the cream or light yellow. Felt like it was needed. do at least. Actually, I couldn't record the part where I wrote. I'm really sorry about that. And we are done with our card. So, thank you for watching. Bye.